Hello guys, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. This is K Pranshu, a third year BSc HNHA student from IHM Chennai. Today I will be making Modak stuffed with Moong Dal Halwa on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. So I will be using Karamat's Moong Dal Halwa mix for today's preparation. This will act as a main ingredient as it's the stuffing. So let's get started with the cooking process. So the ingredients we'll need for today's preparation is Moong Dal Halwa mix from Karamat, sugar powder, some dry fruits, chopped dry fruits, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 250 ml of milk and 2 cups of rice flour for the Modak's dough. So let's start preparing the stuffing first. So let's start with the... So guys, first we'll add the Moong Dal mix in a bowl like this. So now we'll add 250 ml of milk into the mixture. Slowly and gradually we'll add in batches so that to avoid lumps formation. So now as you can see it has dissolved properly. Now we'll leave it for 20 minutes so that it can infuse its flavor in the milk, and after that we'll start cooking it into the... So now we'll switch on the flame. We'll use a big kadhai like this for the preparation. So now we'll add 1.5 spoon of ghee into the pan and let it heat. After that we'll add the mixture of Moong Dal Halwa. So now we'll start adding our mixture into the ghee. We'll cook it until it leaves the pan. After that we'll add the garnish, the chopped nuts we have kept aside. You can see it has started leaving the pan. So now we'll add our chopped nuts into it. I've chopped some cashews, some pistachios and some of the almonds. You can go as per your choice for this. As you can see, it has started leaving the pan now. Now we'll keep it aside and let it cool. Until then we'll start making our dough for the modak. So guys, now we'll add 2 cups of water in a kadhai for the dough preparation of modak. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of ghee into it and the powdered sugar, a little bit for the sweetening of the modak, and a pinch of salt to enhance the taste of sugar. Add some drops of white food coloring. As you all know, we have a stuffing of Moong Dal Ka Halwa. So for the outer part of the modak to look in a yellow color, we are adding it. So as you all can see, our water has come to a boil. Now we'll start adding our rice flour, 2 cups of rice flour, and we'll mix it gently until it absorbs the water. As you all can see, the dough mixture has absorbed full water. So now we'll separate it and knead it with our wet hand. Now we'll add the remaining ghee and we'll use little bit of water to knead the dough. If you feel it very tight, we have to knead a soft dough. So guys, this is how we have to knead our dough. So now we'll add stuffing into it. Do not make it too thin or else it will break. After adding the stuffing, we have to make gullies out of it, as you can see. Now merge it all together, holding the sides like this. Just remove the excess one. This is how a modak should look like. So now we'll do the same with the remaining dough, and I'll show you another trick. It's quite simple for anybody to make it. You do not need to do anything, just make hollow in the between, add your stuffing, just push it upwards from the sides and make it cylindrical over it. Remove the excess. After giving it a modak shape, now use your fork side and just drip it, just for the shading, just for the appearance. Now you all can see the design. Now you all can see how does it looks like. So this is the simplest way you can make modak at your home. Now we'll grease our steaming pan using oil. Now we'll add our prepared modak into it for the steaming. Now we'll put this over the heat and let it steam properly for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, we'll see the plating. So guys, now if you have chandi work or silver 24 karat work, you can use it for decoration. So guys, as you all can see, now our modak is ready. You can apply it's properly steamed. Modak. So now we'll put kesar over it. Some dried rose petals to garnish it with. Now it's done, as you all can see. Thank you for watching my video guys, hope you all like it. Make sure you try this recipe in your home, it's quite delicious. All of your family members would like it. Thank you so much for watching it once again.